Welcome to the Open Fender System Installation Guide for the 2015 through 2019 GMC HD 2500 through 3500. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable sections so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This is not a replacement for the professional skills and experience required. Disclaimer: all liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage. For professional installation only. Apply the provided rubber edge trim to the edge of the fender flares that will rest against the fender bases. Start applying the trim to one end of the flare and work towards the other end. Use a pair of snips to cut the trim to length. Insert 3 of the provided 5/16 inch yellow zinc bolts with lock and flat washers through the brackets from the inside of the flare. Then thread each of the 3 bolts into the welded-in nuts in the fender base. Position the flare as desired and then tighten using a 1/2 inch open-end wrench until the lock washer is flat. Repeat this process for the rear flare.